Jake and Grandma Haley. Pretty princess paper. Oh my gosh, it's huge. Hold it up so I can take a picture. Ah!
Be me.
Be me. Oh, oh, cool. That's neat. So it's all about, oh, that's cool.
A dog running.
It is. Why does it do that?
Oh. Cool.
That is a neat book. We're going to have a lot of...
Look, his tummy. How cool.
We'll have to read that to you tonight.
I'll put this one for.
I know you're talking. From Grandma Haley.
Yes, they got me a book.
I told Grandma Hallie you needed new books. You do.
Daddy, don't think all the presents are books.
They're not. Books are special.
Ooh.
Books are just.
It's called Incredible You. Incredible You. Let me see your face. Look up. Jeez. What is that? Marley and Me. There's a movie on that.
Molly's Emma's dog name.
Remember? Oh,
Mommy.
it is?
It's cute.
You're so cute.
Thank you and Merry Christmas.